The dragon has lost its kill, but only temporarily. Venom from a gland in its jaw prevents the blood of its prey from clotting, leading to a dangerous drop in blood pressure.